Dalang Naganap sa Lubang, Occidental Mindoro Cananong 3:18 a.m. May aftershock na inasahan.
Good morning, guys. It's very, very early in the morning, 5 a.m. And we were woken up by the earthquake. I don't know if you guys also felt it, but it happened around, I'm not sure, 3:30 or 4. Because I woke up at around 3:30. Okay. So, I woke up at around 3:30. My friend was messaging us a group chat. We have a group chat. Mga gym friends ko. My cat kept crying. So, I'm not sure if you guys felt that earthquake at... Oh my god. I'm just happy I didn't felt it. I actually didn't. Pero nagising kasi ako ng todo. At may buwan pa. It's 5.5 in Mindoro, if I'm not mistaken. And then binaba nila 5.4. In Manila, in QC, basically intensity 3. So it's not as bad as April 2019 earthquake. That one, hindi pa ako nag-vlog na YouTube vlog. Nagsulat pa lang ako nun sa website ko. So I wrote about that and I have had trauma. I'm gonna show you guys the sunrise because this is a stressful vlog for those who have felt it. So far sa neighborhood, probably most are awake now, given what happened. Meron mga ibang kapitbahay na bukas na yung ilaw sa kanilang mga kwarto. But most are birds chirping, there is nobody yet walking. Sometimes I don't know what to say anymore with what's going on around the world. What happened was that nagka-earthquake nga and sa Facebook status ko, sorry guys, ganito pa itsura ko, I just woke up. Ang dami na nag-message that they felt it. Siguro yung mga nasa Pasig or nasa Makati masaramdam. Hindi ko sure. Or yung mga naka-high-rise. Kasi yung bahay naman namin is not that high. I mean, ano lang. So, hindi ganun kayanig. And, it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Since hindi pa naman tapos din yung Mother's Day, nakasimula lang. So, we got woken up by this earthquake. Medyo bumubulong ako kasi mga tao sa bahay tulog pa. I hope you appreciate the sunrise behind me. It's a good thing about today. Kahit nagulantang ang mga tao sa nangyari. Scary yung alarm kasi una text lang, tapos alam mo yung may beeping sound that freaks me out. Actually sa phone ko in-off ko na, sa phone lang ng parents ko meron. And then may automated message, may tawag namin, may voice message pa siya. So nakaka-freak out kasi kakagising mo lang may ganun. Ang sabi baka may agkaroon na aftershock, but thankfully wala naman ako naramdaman, or baka sobra lang kasing pagod because yesterday I slept only for 2 hours. I'm happy that I slept last night at 8:30 p.m. until I was woken up na nga by this earthquake. So I hope that everybody's fine and safe. I just want to check up on everybody. Are you guys okay? Did you felt it? Comment down below. Hopefully, this will be the last time because I've been feeling kind of peacy about earthquakes for the past few weeks, and I think paranoia lang kasi it's been a year since the April 23 magnitude 6 earthquake. Short story, I was trapped on top of the mall, mag-isa. I had my holiday noon, so walang work. Tapos ang ironic, sabi ko gusto ko lang mag-relax, go to a spa by myself and have my own time because summer of 2019 was super busy, super hectic. A lot of things are happening in my personal life as well. So that didn't happen. So that was very traumatizing. I'm gonna post here a couple of photos and the link to the website that I did if you guys are curious on my experience kasi that was really batshit crazy. This is nothing. So yun, and then kasi I remember that day that it was super vivid na it was super vivid because grabe yung trauma ko doon. So hindi siya yung madaling kalimutan. It was straight out of a movie experience, basically ground zero. Yun. So, yung thought process ko this morning is just not there. Pasensya na. I haven't had my coffee, but I wanted to vlog about this and edit it right away so that I can put it out. It's just sad that may pandemic na ang dami pang nangyayaring calamities, not just in Philippines, but around the world. I think it's probably God telling us to wake up, know what is important in life. And it's Sunday, so it's good to reflect and pray. Yun yung sabihin ko. I remember April 23 was a super hot day. And, uh, ano siya, intense ang init. Parang ito, lately, di ba, sobrang init. 40 degrees, 45, so even 50, no joke ha. Nagpo-50 na sa probinsya. So, that's why I've been feeling uneasy because alam ko na that can, maybe, it can trigger calamity. Kasi hindi ko makakalimutan yung araw na yun talaga na super duper init. It was so dry, so hot. It wasn't humid at all. And that's how it's been lately in the city, in Manila. So, based on that, feeling ko it can happen. But, I just disregarded that one kasi I don't want to be paranoid, cause panic, and such, and some people can be savage, saying you're crazy, or alam niyo na, diba? So, yun. Yeah, welcome to my bedroom, boys. And I woke up like this face. Here's to another very morning vlog. I'm just very thankful that I'm alive today, that I woke up early, I slept early. Sleep is a must. Tomorrow may work na naman. But today we're gonna enjoy. Hopefully mabagal yung time kasi yesterday sobrang bilis ng oras. And I realized pwede ko pala isama to sa vlog. Finally had my coffee. I'm in my office. Kasi I'm gonna be editing this vlog right away. One of the things na dapat mong gawin kapag may earthquake ay i-set up ang inyong emergency bag. So, I already have this from last year. I have another one. Tapos, ito walang laman pa. Actually, mas maganda nga yung bag na bilhin ninyo ay yung hindi flimsy because these are cheap ones that I bought. I think nabawasan ko na rin to. Because for a year, sometimes kapag naubusan ako ng clothes or whatsoever that I need, I take some things out. I know I shouldn't. So, looks like today, I'm gonna be putting more things here. Kukumpletuhin ko na siya, even that one. Para next time this happens, meron tayo gamit. So, what do I have in my emergency bags? I bought a medical kit from Mediplast. Mercury. The expiration date siya for all the contents, especially the medicines. 2002. May isa yung Decogen, expired na Feb 2020. So, make sure that you update the meds. Kasi syempre, hindi mo pwedeng inumin yung expired, obviously. It has a guide. Meron siyang nakalagay na be calm, seek for professional and medical help. Determine kung yung victim ba ay hinihirapan huminga, and huwag niyong gagalawin yung victim agad-agad without medical aid. So what does this have? It has, what does this contain? It has a Mediplast, cotton buds. It has loperamide. Tapos, meron siyang Biojessi. It has Band-Aids. Ito yung Biojessi niya. It has, what is this? Leucoplast? Plaster? Something like that siguro. Tapos, meron din siyang United Homeburn. So, medicine for mga paso-paso. Meron ding Rhea Cold Rub. So, para siyang Vicks. And iodine for wounds. And ammonia. Kung may hilo ka. So, yun yung contents ng medical kit or first aid kit from Mediplast. Merong mas mahal na yun yung pinakamura kong nakita. So, you can make your own naman. Gayahin nyo na lang kung ano ilalagay nyo. Tapos, for women, you should have a sanitary napkin. And then, I have this kit ng mga other meds that I need. You need to make sure you bring your own meds, mga pang allergy, or lalo sa parents kung may maintenance, may sakit kayo. I have a toothpaste, and wala dito yung toothbrush. You need to have those. Basically, yung mga basic hygiene na essentials. Dapat shampoo. I have, social, meron akong, hindi, pero actually practical kasi mali ito. Shampoo and conditioner bar. So, dito pala ito. Nakalimutan ko na. And then, I have clothes. I have towel. So, meron akong clothes dito. Hindi ko na ilalabas lahat. So, yung one set of clothes that you need, from your undies to your shirt to your pants, shorts, leggings. Better siguro leggings. And then, bra, brief. Tapos, I have BB wipes here. Sana hindi pa tutuyot. Ito naman siguro. Tapos may nakita ako, ang pinaka-helpful na napanood ko na on how to make your emergency kit is from Red Cross. They actually have a plate inside. A plate, canned goods, spoon and fork, yung mga metal straws, tapos flashlight, kailangan yan. And I think yung mga Swiss knife, okay din yan. Looks like still have a lot to put in here. Hindi ko naasikaso. So now that may pandemic and nagkaroon ng earthquake, mas maasikaso ko itong kumpletuhin. What else? If I forgot, I'm gonna put some checklists here. Try to find one for you guys. Or put a link below on that Red Cross video that I followed. And I hope na makatulong. So back to the vlog. Na sinunod ko kanina. Pinakita ko lang to kasi naalala ko nga pala na magandang ang isama para dun sa mga wala pa medical emergency bags. Yes, if you're new to my channel and you think I have low energy, which I do, right now siguro 5:30 na. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if you felt the earthquake in your area. I hope that you are going to have a very beautiful day. Wish your mamas, my cat is biting me. Wish your mamas happy Mother's Day. Maxie, say hi. Good morning, Maxie. So, ayan, may little baby. Nanghihingi na to ng kanyang treats. And, I want to address nga pala, sobrang salamat sa response sa lupus article ko. Ang dami pong nag-share, nagka-God bless. Na-appreciate ko po yun ng buong puso ko. And, hindi ko in-expect pa rin na, patok pa rin yung lupus or topic kasi nga hindi naman widely known ng lupus compared to cancer or coronavirus. So, I'm very happy about the responses. I hope that I've shed some light to those with lupus or know anyone suffering with lupus. It's still on my vlog and then nilink ko rin I think nalink ko naman yung vlog article, yung write-up version of lupus. If you still want to watch, you haven't watched it, you haven't read it, and comment down below. Feel free to message me if you have any concerns. I would be gladly to shed some light. Not an expert, but I am a lupus survivor. So, yan. Anyway, thank you, and I hope that you have a good day. Bye!